Welcome back to A View to a Grill. I'm Johnny, and today I'm going to teach you how to reach your target temperature on a Weber kettle in less than 3 minutes. I mean, the video is going to be in less than 3 minutes. It's actually going to take you a little longer in real life to reach your target temp. First of all, I think it's important to talk about the setup. I'm going to start off with 12 to 14 unlit briquettes in my Weber chimney starter. I'm using 4 lumps of hickory, and I'm also using B&B hickory lump. I'm going to leave a little space at the top of the slow and sear for my lit charcoal. Now I like to use hot water for the slow and sear. That way the coals don't have to use up their energy getting the water hot. Next, we'll pour in the lit charcoal. Now just get your protein down and close the lid. Both vents are wide open. Now let's talk about target temperature and acceptable range. My target temperature is 275 degrees, but my acceptable range is plus or minus 10 degrees. Anything that falls in between 285 and 265 is okay to me. So I'll be making my first adjustment at 225 degrees, which is 40 degrees below my acceptable target range. Here we are at 223, close enough. Your first adjustment is going to be to the bottom vent. I'm going to move that to the left to halfway closed, which is the third oval from the left, and we're going to leave it there until we reach our next adjustment temperature. So at around 245 degrees, we're going to adjust our bottom vent again. It's the second oval from the left. Now we're going to leave that there until it's time for our third adjustment, and that's going to be at around 255 degrees. Once we reach 255 degrees, it's time to adjust the top vent. And I'll just close that about halfway. Now we're going to leave that until it's about our fourth adjustment, and that's going to happen at around 265 degrees. Now once we reach 265 degrees, I'll close it by half again. Now at this point, you may have to make a small micro adjustment to your vent, either open or close. In my case, since the temperature wouldn't get above 268 degrees, I had to make a tiny adjustment and open that top vent just a little bit more to get to my target range. And now, according to our graph, we are in our acceptable range. Now, if you want to see how to do this on the PK grill, go check out Mike over at Bauer's Barbecue. I'll have his channel link in the card above. Thanks for watching A View to a Grill. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.